The greenhouse effect is a crucial process that regulates Earth's temperature and makes life as we know it possible. Here's a breakdown of the science behind the greenhouse effect in 8 to 10 short paragraphs. Natural greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect refers to the natural process by which certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun. These gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, water vapor, and others, are called greenhouse gases, GHGs. They allow sunlight, solar radiation, to enter the atmosphere and warm the Earth's surface. Absorption and re-radiation. When sunlight reaches Earth's surface, it is absorbed and then re-radiated as infrared radiation, heat. Greenhouse gases absorb this outgoing infrared radiation, trapping some of it in the atmosphere. This trapped heat warms the atmosphere and the Earth's surface, similar to how a greenhouse traps heat for plant growth, hence the term greenhouse effect. Natural balance. In natural conditions, the greenhouse effect maintains Earth's average temperature at about 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, making the planet habitable for life. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth's surface would be much colder, averaging about -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Enhanced greenhouse effect. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, deforestation, and industrial processes, have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This enhanced greenhouse effect intensifies the trapping of heat, leading to global warming and climate change. Global warming. The enhanced greenhouse effect is primarily responsible for global warming, which refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average temperature. Since the Industrial Revolution, global temperatures have risen significantly due to human activities releasing large amounts of CO2 and other GHGs into the atmosphere. Consequences of global warming. Global warming has wide-ranging impacts, including more frequent and severe heat waves, melting polar ice caps and glaciers, rising sea levels, shifts in precipitation patterns, and more intense weather events such as hurricanes and droughts. These changes pose risks to ecosystems, biodiversity, and human societies worldwide. Climate feedbacks. As Earth warms, feedback mechanisms can amplify or dampen the effects of the greenhouse gases. For example, melting ice reduces Earth's reflectivity, albedo, absorbing more heat and accelerating warming. Changes in vegetation and ocean circulation also influence climate feedbacks. Mitigation and adaptation. Addressing the greenhouse effect and its consequences requires global efforts to mitigate GHG emissions through policies, technological innovations, and transitioning to renewable energy sources. Adaptation strategies are also crucial to reduce vulnerability and build resilience to climate impacts. Scientific research and monitoring. Scientists study the greenhouse effect through climate models, satellite observations, and field research to understand its mechanisms and predict future climate scenarios. Monitoring GHG concentrations and climate indicators provides critical data for policymaking and mitigation strategies. Global cooperation. Addressing the greenhouse effect is a global challenge that requires cooperation among countries, industries, and individuals. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to limit global temperature rise and promote sustainable development practices to mitigate climate change impacts. In summary, the greenhouse effect is a fundamental natural process essential for Earth's climate stability. While necessary for life, human activities have intensified this effect, leading to global warming and climate change. Understanding and addressing the greenhouse effect are critical for safeguarding our planet's future and ensuring a sustainable environment for future generations.